Okay, guys, again, good morning. Today, inshallah, we'll continue in lesson 4, evaluate algebraic expressions. So prepare your books there on page 288. Page 288, please. Now, yesterday we said we start from this lesson. We started from this lesson and we took, I think, example 1 and check 1. The idea here is if we have algebraic expression like for y is unknown value because y is variable. Variable means it's unknown value. Now, if y equal 5, I can replace the value of y by 5. Now here we have multiply, so it will be 4 multiply 5, which is 20. So if we have nothing here, we make it multiply. But if we have, like, for example, y plus 9 and y equal 5, here I replace y with 5, it will be 5 plus 9, which is 14. This is what we call it, evaluate algebraic expression. So we have algebraic expression with given number and we evaluate it. We evaluate it to find the value of the algebraic expression. This is the idea of this lesson. Yesterday we talked about it. So today I'll repeat example 1, guys. I'll repeat example 1 and the check under it. I'll repeat example 1 and the check under example 1. So in example 1 we have evaluate the expression 6b when b equal half. So I'm in page 288, guys. Example 1 said evaluate the expression 6b comma when b equal 1 over 2. 6b when b equal 1 over 2. So to evaluate this algebraic expression, I will say equal 6b means 6 multiply b. Do not write 6b, just replace b with half and put it like this. This is wrong. Here we have a numerical expression. We need to have something between them. And if nothing here, it will be here what? Multiply. Now we multiply a number with fraction. We know that it will be 6 over 2, which is 3. Now the check also, if you have the expression x over 33 over x, I think. The check under example 1, x over 6, Asif, x over 6. Evaluate x over 6 when x equal 33. Here we have nothing between the number and the variable. We call it coefficient. So I turn it to multiply. But here I have this line. This line means a fraction. A fraction means a division. So replace x with 33. It will be 33 over 6. 33 divided by 6. And we do, as we know, we simplify it, divide it, whatever. Here we can divide up and down on 3. It will be 11 over 2. Now, if you make long division, it will be 5.5. 5.5, okay? Divide long division, 11 divided by 2 is 5 by 2, 10. Subtract 1, we have decimal, we can add 0. 10 into another 5, 5 by 2, 10, subtract 0. So 5.5. Now, this is the example 1 and this is the check. If you didn't understand it, today we'll continue doing our work and we'll go to example 2. But before we continue, we have, Omar, do you have something?
No.
Everything is clear, huh?
Yes.
Right. Abdul Hamid, do you have something?
I want to answer, please.
Yeah, let's go to example 2. Down, see it?
Yes, I see it.
Yeah, read example 2, guys. Wait, Abdul Hamid. Guys, we did yesterday example 1 and the check. I repeated today because yesterday we did it at the end of the period, okay? Now we are moving to example 2 together with Abdul Hamid. Read Abdul Hamid.
Evaluate the expression x plus y when x equal 3 over 4 and y equal 2 over 3.
Good. Now here we have the expression x plus y. So here we have two variables. Here
Yes.
we had one variable, so I had one value. We had
Right.
one variable, so I had one value. One variable, one value to find it. But here I have two variables, so I need two values. Each value for it, the variable. The value of x given, the value of y given. Now what I need to do, I will replace the values on their places here, then calculate. Okay, Abdul Hamid?
Okay, Mister.
Yes. So equal, let's evaluate this. This is equal what, ya Abdul Hamid? What's the value of x?
Equal x is 3 over 4.
So I will replace x, guys. I will replace it by 3 over 4. Then I have add, I will add. So I'm following.
Y is 2 over 3.
So I'm following the algebraic expression, guys. I'm following it. Addition, addition. Multiply,
Right.
multiply. Divide, divide. Don't do anything from your own. Just follow the algebraic expression. So here we have a plus, you put a plus. Now you have y. Abdul
2
Hamid
over
said y
3.
is 2 over 3. So I'll replace y with 2 over 3. Now forget everything and look here. Now we have here addition of fractions. We are grade 6 now. How we do addition of fractions, Mr.
Um, Mister, I forgot.
Right. To do addition of fractions, guys, the denominators down should be equal. We cannot add like this. Don't do wallahi 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 3, 7. Don't do that. خلاص
Yes.
كبرت انت. Don't do that. Okay? Down we don't add. Down we don't add. We add the fractions or subtract them if the denominators are equal. If the denominators are not equal, we cannot add, we cannot subtract, but we can multiply and divide. This is a different issue. So here we have 4 and 3. We need to make them equal. How we make the denominators equals, guys? We put 3 over 4 like this and 2 over 3 like this and make longer lines. Now 3 and 4 both multiply with 3. 3 and 4 both multiply with 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 both multiply with 4. Means the first fraction multiplied the second denominator, the second fraction multiplied the first denominator. So 3 and 4 multiply by 3, or multiply
3
up and
multiply
down
3
with a 3
and 4
like this.
multiply 3.
Now 2 and 3, the
9
second
over 12.
fraction multiplied with 4. So here I'll multiply 2 and 3 by 4.
2
Times 4
multiply 4, 3
times 4.
multiply 4.
Now we find the multiples
9
here.
over 12.
So here we have 9, 12,
8 over
8.
12.
Now down we have the same denominator. At
Now
this
we
moment,
can
we can
add.
add. And we don't add down. Down, we only take one denominator from them.
Yes.
We add up. 9 plus 8 is 17.
17.
Now make long division, it will be 1 and 5
1
over
and
12.
5 over 12.
This is example 2.
Yes.
This is example 2. So the first step, guys, the only thing which is in
Mister.
you, welcome. The first step, guys, the only thing which is in you, everything else down, we took that. We took how we multiply and divide and how to deal with the fractions. So there is nothing in you. It's nothing in you, guys. We took that before. We just only have this algebraic expression, replace the numbers, then calculate depending on our previous
I will
skill.
mute, okay?
Okay, okay. Now let's move to the check, guys. After example 2, we have check. Let's do the check and you will do it with me in your book now. Let's go to the check, guys, under example 2. Now in the check, Hisham, read ya Hisham.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla Hisham, we have check under example 2, read it.
Evaluate A plus B when A equal 5 over 6 and B equal 3 and 1 over 4.
Hello. Evaluate A plus B when A equal 5 over 6, B equal 3 and 1 over 4. Here we have two variables, so I will have two values for them. Now, what we will do, mister?
We will write the expression a
Equal.
equals 5 equal 5 or a equal 5 over 6 and b equal 3 and 1 over 4.
خلصنا كتبت أنا. Yeah, what I will do now?
We will make 5 over 6.
5 over 6 in place of A.
Yes.
We have add, so we'll add. Then
Plus 3 and 1 over 4.
3 and 1 over 4. ممتاز. Now
We
forget
will
the
make
question and focus here. Here we have a fraction and mixed number and addition. How we will do this?
we will make the mixed number fraction.
So first, guys, ممتاز يا هشام. Before we add, guys, we need to turn this mixed number to be fraction. So 5 over 6 stays 5 over 6 plus. Here, we know how to turn this to fraction, Hisham, right?
Yes, equal 13 over 4.
4 by 3, 12 plus 1, 13 over 4. Now, Hisham, what we need to do?
We will make add
يلا
the
add أشوف.
13 and 4. We will multiply them by 6.
And
5 over 6 are multiplied by 4.
good. Now here we have different denominators down. We cannot add and we cannot subtract. So I need to make them equal, okay? But can I make 6 and 4 to be 12, yeah, to make it smaller? Can we make 6 and 4 to be 12 both?
No, we can't.
Why we cannot?
I mean, yes.
6 by 2, it will be what?
12.
And 4 by 3, it will be what?
12.
But if we multiply down, we need to multiply up, صح?
Yes.
So here, guys, if you look here, 4 and 3, we can make them both 12 by multiply 4 with the 3 and the 3 with 4. This is what I did here. But here, no need to multiply by 4 by 4 by 6 by 6. It will be big numbers. We can make it smaller numbers. The 6 and 4, the number 12 exists in the timetable of 4 and timetable of 6. So I can make 6 to be 12 by multiplying with 2. So I'll multiply up and down by 2. Plus 13 over 4, I can make the 4 to be 12 by multiplying up and down with a 3. So it will be smaller numbers. And if you did 5 and 6, as Hisham said, both times 4, 3 and 14, 13 and 4, both times 6, it will be the same answers down, but you need to make simplest 4. Now let's go down here and make the multiples. Here what we have, ya Hisham, tell me.
10 over 12.
13 times 3, if you make it, it will be 39
over 12.
Over 12 also. Now this is equal. Down, we have 12. Down. Up 10 plus 39, it is?
It's 49.
49. Now 49 over 12, make long division, it will be 4 and 1 over 12. It will be mixed number.
Yes.
This is the check after example 2, guys. Copy it, please. Copy the check, guys. This is the check after example 2. Thank you, Hisham.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, let's continue to do example 3. Example 3. Now, in example 3, what we have? Can I agree, Muhammad? Read.
Yes, Mr. Wait, parenthesis 5x minus 4y close parenthesis divide z to the power 2 when x equal 4 and y equal half and z equal 3.
Hello. Now look here, guys. We have 3 variables. In the previous check and example, we had 2 variables, but now we have 3 variables. We have x, y, and z. So the question will give you the 3 values for each variable: 4, half, and 3 for x, y, z. So what we will do the first step, yeah, Muhammad?
The parenthesis.
What we will do the first step, Yabni?
We will write the no, wait. Yeah, write the expression.
But
what
we will do, yeah, Mr. احكي.
We will make 5 5 multiply 4.
Good. So what we are doing, guys, the first step, we need to replace, guys, replace means put something in place of something, okay? Replace, it's easy word. So what we will do, mister? The first
we will
step.
replace x
we will replace
4
the variables
with the number.
It's easy thing. We will replace the variables by their values, okay? We will replace the variables by their values. This is the first step. So this is equal. I will do the same thing here, guys. Same thing, brackets, subtract, divide, exponent. I'll do everything, but I'll replace the variables by their values. It's easy thing. Just take something and put another thing in place of it. It's easy. ما بدهاش إشي مش صعبة. So bracket, I'll put a bracket. Now what's the meaning of 5x here, يا mister?
5 multiply x.
5 multiply x. Do not put 5 and the value of x4 وتروح تحط لي 4 هون. Don't do that. Again and again and again. Do not do that. هيني بحذر أنا. Now 5x means 5 multiply x. If you have numbers, you need to put multiply like this one. Now what we have then, we have subtraction. This is subtraction. 4y same. 4y means 4 multiply y. But what's the y, mister?
Half.
So 4 multiply half. Now the bracket is closed. I will close it. I will follow the expression. As the expression, I will do the same here. What we have then?
Divide.
I will put divide. What we have then?
Z, we will replace with
Z
the
to the power 2.
Z to
the power 2. But what's Z? Z is a 3. So it will be 3
to the power 2.
Don't forget to the power 2. This is the first step. I only replace the variables by the values. And if I have multiply, I put multiply. Now, we took 2 lessons ago, we took something we call it order of operations. We said we start with the brackets always, then the exponents, then multiply or divide, and the end plus or minus. We don't take that. We didn't take that for nothing, guys. احنا ما بناخده وبننساه. No. We took it to use it. We took this thing to use it later. Now we need to use it because we have a numerical expression with brackets, subtraction, multiply, divide, and exponent. So I need to follow the order of operations to find the correct answer for this. So in the order of operation, ya Muhammad, what we need to do now?
First thing, the parenthesis.
So first thing, I'll do the parentheses, but inside the parentheses, I have what?
Multiplication.
And subtraction. So what
Yeah.
I need to do first, multiplications
Multiplication.
or subtraction?
Multiplication.
So I'll do the multiplications first. So the bracket is still, because I'm not done with it, it has more than one step. This will be 20 minus 4 multiply half, go outside and do it. 4 multiply half is 2. And continue the same. The other things will be the same. Sheikh Hakena?
Yes.
This is equal. Now we can get rid of the parentheses. 20 minus 2 is,
Equal 18.
and the other
Divide
things will come the same.
3 to the power 2.
Now we have division and exponent. What we need to do first?
Exponent.
The exponent before the division. The exponent before the division. So I'll do the exponent first. So the 18 is still 18 divided by 3 to the
9.
power 2. How much?
9.
9. We took exponents. Take it outside, calculate, and bring your answer here. 3 to the power 2 is 9. And 18 divided by 9 is
2.
2. So the final answer is 2, means the value of all of this thing here, the value of all of this thing is 2. This is example 3, guys. It's important idea. Here I replace, then I use order of operations. We took that before, and we did a lot of exercises about. This is example 3, guys. Let's go to the check under this example. We have check under this example. Let's do it together. Check under example or after example 3. عمر مدور. عمر.
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr.
يلا يا عمر. We have check. Do you understand everything يا عمر?
Yes, inshallah.
Yeah. Go to the check on page 289
Yes.
and read it. Evaluate.
Evaluate x over 4
ايوه.
2 brackets y 2.
لحظة شوي. لحظة.
Yes.
x over 4. Then
Plus.
say it حبيبي الله يسعدك.
Yes,
Plus
I
what?
said plus 2.
2. ايوه.
Then brackets 1.
ايوه.
Then y to the power 2
ايوه.
minus 3z.
حلو.
When x equal 12,
12.
y equal 7, and z equal 8.
How much is y?
Y equal 7.
7. So this is the check, guys. Omar Mdawar, read it. And this is the check. X over y plus 2 brackets y to the power 2 minus 3z given x, y, and z. Let me just be sure of it.
So
Yes. Now, let's what's the first step, yeah, Omar? What we need to
we
do?
have to make the power, then we make the brackets.
What?
The power that the 7 to the power 2.
Okay, أنا أكتب 7 to the power 2 هيك يعني إيش أعمل يعني؟
لا يا مستر لا. We will make we will make
What's
12.
the first step يا مستر? What is the first step? شو أعمل؟
Yes, we will make 12 over 4
So
plus
we are replacing, Mr. Right?
yes,
Replace, guys. Don't forget this word, please. I beg you, guys. Replace, replace. It's easy, easy, small, cute, beautiful word. Replace. First, we need to replace. Replace the variables by their values. Please say that. This is the first step, yeah, Mr. Say it, أشوف. يلا.
we will replace
أيوة. Replace
eh,
what?
the values.
The variables, what we call X, Y, Z, what we call them? Variables. Yalla. We will replace the variables by their values. Say it.
Yes, we will replace the variable by their values.
Good boy. Now let's replace together.
We
What's the
have
value of X?
12
So
over
I'll put X 12. شوي شوي يا ابني. Over 4 over 4. Then
plus
what we have?
plus
Plus high plus.
2.
2 high 2. Stop here and come here. What's
Yes,
between the 2 and the bracket, yeah, Mister? Here, what's between them?
nothing.
Nothing means what?
Multiply.
Means multiply. Don't forget that. Now
Yes.
bracket, bracket.
Brackets.
Y to the power 2. What's
7
Y?
to the power 2
ممتاز. 7 to the power 2.
minus
Minus.
37.
3Z means what?
What? 3z.
3Z means what?
338. 3 multiply 8.
3 multiply 8 because there is nothing between 3 and Z.
I think
It means
it's a,
multiply. Do you understand it, Yabni?
yes.
Good.
Then
Now,
we will make it.
we have a numerical expression, right?
Yes.
How we will deal with this? What we need to do? يلا احكي لي.
First, we will make we will put we will put 12 over 4 plus 2 multiply down.
حلو. So first we will start with the bracket, you mean, and
Yes.
everything else will come the same, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 12 over 4 plus 2 multiply, and I'm in the bracket now.
Yes.
Inside the bracket, we
There
have
is
exponent and multiply and subtract. What we need to do the first?
the exponent.
How much 7 to the power 2?
7 to the power 2 means 7 multiply 7 equal
Which is 49, right?
49. Yes, 49.
Yeah, exponent then multiply, right?
Yes, 49
Yeah.
minus 3 multiply 8 equal 24.
Good boy. Now, at the next step, we can get rid of the bracket, right?
Yes.
So this is equal 12 over 4 plus 2 multiply. 49 minus 24 is?
49 minus 24 equal 25.
Hello. Now what we have here, mister? We have division. This is division, right?
Yes.
And addition and multiplication. What we need to do the first?
The division.
Then
the multiply.
And at the end we will?
Plus.
Yeah. 12 divided by 4, how much?
12 divided by 4 equal 3.
3 plus 2 multiply 25, how much?
2 equal 50.
Now 3 plus 50 is?
53.
Mumtaz. This is the check, guys. Copy it, please. This is the check of example 3. Copy, please, quickly.
Mister?
Yes.
Can you go for example 3? I wanted 1 minute. Yes, thank you.
Welcome. This is example 3, and the check, guys. Please finish copying. Now, let's go to example 4 together. Let's go to example 4. I have only 4 minutes, guys, so I will do example 4 quickly. I will do the idea of example 4 quickly. I need someone to read هيك على السريع. يلا.
Can I read it, Mr.?
لا خلاص يا مستر.
How?
Example 4, guys. معاذ يلا يا معاذ.
Yes.
يلا معاذ على السريع example 4 read أشوف.
The expression 1
Wait
over
معاذ
2a.
معاذ wait guys, all of you go with your friend to example 4. I have only 3 minutes now, so I will do it quickly, so focus with me. Go يا معاذ يلا.
The expression 1 over 2a b plus c can be used to find the area of the trapezoid. What is the area of the trapezoid when a equal 9 and b equal 12 and c equal 7?
This is the example, guys. I have the expression. This expression represents the area of the trapezoid, guys. This is, we call it a trapezoid. And this is the area of it given by algebraic expression. And they gave you the value of A, the value of B, the value of C. And we need to find the area of it depending on these values. So what we need to do the first semester?
Star c equal 7, not 6.
It's okay. 7. Yeah. What we need to do the first step, ya mister?
Replace.
Replace. We will replace the variables by the values. The variables by the values. Okay, guys? So let's replace A, B, and C by their values. يلا يا معاذ أنا وياك. Half A. شو يعني half A?
A 1 over 2 multiply 9.
Multiply. Half A means multiply. So I put multiply, and A is 9.8. 9.8. What's between A and the bracket, Mr. Hina? Here,
Multiply.
what we have? We have nothing. So also it is multiply, and now we put the bracket and replace B and C. B is 12.
Equal 12.
C is 7. Now we have a numerical expression. What we need to do the first, Yabni? Hello?
We will plus the numbers in the parentheses.
So first we will do the parentheses. 12 plus 7 is 19. Now what we will do, I will multiply over 1, multiply up, multiply down, divide, do whatever. The answer will be 93.1. 93.1. This is example 4, guys. Now the check under it, guys, it is the same idea. You have check under of it down. It is the same idea of the example here. The check under this example has the same idea. Now go do it, طبعا. Do the check, guys, as exercise for you. Do it. Now go to the homework. And if you see we have homework here, try to do it, guys, all of you. Yani today, I will check the homework. So send the homework after you finish with it at night. Send it at Classera, please. Now that's all for me. If you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow before we start our thing. Now, that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you understand the idea. If you still misunderstand anything, you can ask me tomorrow. And have a good day. Goodbye for all.